Welcome everyone back to the channel, and today we're going to be looking at how to use Loom video recorder in 2025. Now the first step you need to do is download and install Loom. Now visit the Loom website, which is loom.com, and you can download the desktop app for your operating system, that is Windows or Mac OS. Then after downloading it, next you need to install the app following the on-screen instruction. After installing the app, you can create a Loom account. This is the second step. Loom account. Create a Loom account. This is actually optional. If you don't want, you can leave it. So you can skip it. But while Loom can be used without an account, creating one provides access to features like cloud storage, team collaboration, and analytics. That's the advantage of creating a Loom account. For creating the account, next thing you're going to do is start recording. Open the Loom app. Choose the recording mode. We have the first mode, which is screen plus cam, which records both your screen and your webcam video. You can also choose screen only, which records only your screen. You can use cam only, which records only your webcam video. After that, you select your recording area. You want it to be full screen, which means to record your entire screen, or application window, which means to record a specific application window, or you can just choose custom selection, which allows you to choose a specific area of your screen to record by yourself. After choosing the area to record, next you're going to adjust your audio settings. Choose your microphone and system audio sources. Then click start recording. During recording, what do? Use your mouse movements and gestures. Guide viewers by using your mouse to point and click. Speak clearly and concisely. Explain your actions and provide context. Pause and resume recording. Use the pause button to take breaks or edit your recording. Then once you're through, stop recording by clicking the stop recording button when you're finished. Then edit and share. This is optional. You can trim your video, remove any unwanted sections, add a title and a description to make your video more searchable and informative. Then you can share your video by copying the shareable link. Then you send the link to others via email, chat, or other platforms. You can also embed the video. You can embed the video directly into website or documents. So you can also choose download the video to your computer. Now, tips for effective Loom recording. Here are some wonderful tips for you. 1. Prepare your screen. So clean up your desktop and close unnecessary applications. Next, test your audio and video. Always test your video, your microphone and webcam. Make sure they're working correctly before you start recording. Next, keep it concise. Get to the point and avoid unnecessary rambling. Use visual effectively. Now you can use your mouse movement, annotations, and screen sharing to illustrate your points. Practice and refine. The more you use Loom, the better you become at creating clear and effective screen recordings. By following these steps, you can effectively use Loom to create high-quality screen recordings for various purposes, such as tutorials, presentations, and customer support. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.